How to fix Android volume too low. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your device. You will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply click on Sounds and Vibration in your settings. After you've clicked on Sounds and Vibration, you will find this kind of screen. Here at the top, you'll find Ring and Notification Volume. Simply turn it on. Make sure you slide it to the right. Make sure you slide the circle to the right side to increase the volume. After you do that, your volume won't be low anymore. And this is how to fix Android volume too low. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.